Hi, welcome to my project diary. In this video, I am going to describe certain features of Arduino Nano and its I/O pin. Arduino Nano is one of the most popular Arduino development board among the hobbyist and Arduino lover because of its small footprint and breadboard friendliness. Unlike Arduino Uno and Mega, Arduino Nano can be easily fit in a breadboard. Arduino was developed by Massimo Benzi and David Cartile in the year of 2005 in Interaction Design Institute, Ivrea, Italy. Arduino Nano is based on Atmega 328 microcontroller from Atmel Corporation. Now here I want to clarify that Arduino is not a microcontroller unlike many people used to say. Rather, Arduino is a development platform or Arduino is a development board which is powered by Atmega 328 microcontroller. Arduino Nano has one USB connector. Through this USB connector, we have to upload the program into the microcontroller. In case of embedded system designing, the programmer need to write the program in his PC or laptop, then the program has to upload into the microcontroller. If we talk about the physical dimension, it is having near about 43 mm length and 17 mm width. It has 2.54 mm pitch, that is, the distance between two I/O pins is 2.54 mm, which make it breadboard friendly. It has one reset switch, one RxD LED. This LED indicates that the microcontroller or Arduino is receiving signal or data through serial communication. Similarly, the TXD pin represents the transmission status of the microcontroller or Arduino. It has one power LED and one inbuilt LED, which is connected to D13. Now Arduino Nano is also having ICSP header, in-circuit serial programmer. Now if we start with the I/O pin from the left, the first pin is TXD pin. Through this pin, the Arduino Nano can communicate with the other device, like it can transmit the data to other microcontroller or other module like Bluetooth, Zigbee, Wi-Fi, etc. The RX pin is used to receive data from other serial device. It called IUART, Universal Asynchronous Receiver Transmitter. Then we have the reset pin. When you connect the reset pin to ground, the program will restart. Rather, it will restart the microcontroller. Then the next pin is ground. Then from D2 to D12, we are having digital I/O pin. And D13 is also digital I/O pin. Now when we talk about the digital I/O pin, that means I/O means input and output. Those pins can be used to give data or give signal as well as to get signal. Now when we talk about digital, means it can give either high or low, or it can take a high or low signal. Then we have a 3.3 volt pin. So Arduino Nano is having an inbuilt 3.3 volt regulator. In many cases, primarily the sensors, it need 3.3 volt power supply. So if you are using any sensor which need 3.3 volt power supply, you can draw the power from this particular pin. Then we have AREF, analog reference. So we'll discuss about this particular pin when we'll be discussing ADC. Then we have A0 to A7 total 8 analog pin in Arduino Nano. Arduino Uno, it has only 6 analog pin, but in case of Arduino Nano, we have 8 analog pin. Then we have the 5-volt power supply. So either we can get 5-volt power supply from this pin, or we can give 5-volt power supply to this pin. Then we have reset pin, ground and VIN. In VIN, we can give unregulated power supply. According to the document, we can give 6 to 20 volt, but it is recommended to give 7 volt to 12 volt. But my suggestion is you should give in between 7 to 9 volt only. You should not cross the 9 volt limit, because in many times we have experienced that if we give 12 volt, after some time the internal voltage regulator get damaged. Now Arduino Nano is also having the I2C communication. Now remember, when we talk about the features of Arduino Nano, we are talking about the features of Atmega 328. That means whatever features Atmega 328 can provide or providing, Arduino can provide only those features. Now, A4 and A5 are SDA and SCL pin. SDA means serial data and SCL means serial clock. In I2C communication, only 2 wires are needed. That's why sometimes it's called 2-wire communication. It also has SPI communication, serial peripheral interface. The serial peripheral interface or SPI communication is based on 4 wires. One is SCK, serial clock, MISO, master in slave out, MOSI, master out slave in, and RST. Sometimes the SPI communication is also called MOSI and MISO communication. In Arduino Nano, pin number D12 is MISO, pin number 11 is MOSI, pin number 13, D13 is called SCK, and D10 is used for reset. It has the ICSP in-circuit serial programming. So ICSP is used to upload the program when the microcontroller is in the circuit itself. That means in many cases you have to remove the microcontroller from the main board and place in a burner or programmer, then we can upload. But Arduino is having inbuilt bootloader. But if we have to upload the bootloader, then we can use these ICSP headers. Now in ICSP header, we have a 5-volt pin, MISO pin, SCK pin, RST pin, MOSI pin, and ground. And here you can identify that in case of SPI communications and ICSP, it has the same pin. Actually, ICSP communication implement the SPI communication only. Thank you for watching my video. Please do like my videos and subscribe my channel for more information.